Okay, so last up is using the remainder of your box to create an initial letter. So G for Gemma. All right, so I've started mine. I decided to give G a whirl mainly because it's one of the hardest letters to do. So sorry if you've also got a G as an initial, although you could do maybe a simpler G. I've gone a little bit crazy with all the extra parts of a G. So I would suggest you use a pencil. And then I would draw the outline, and it depends. You can do a huge G or you can do a small one. It depends where you want it to go. So I'll just do a small one for now. I'm going to put it inside this box here. And then, I don't know, let's draw like a P. And again, you can always look on the internet for a block letter if you're not too sure how to draw it. But we really want thick edges. I don't know if you can see that. But that's going to be my P there. Then you can flatten out the box so that it's a bit easier to cut. And you're going to cut out your letter. And then I don't really need to show you that because I've actually got one cut out, haven't I? So you just basically cut out your letter. And then all you're going to do, I didn't actually have any clear sellotape. So I've got these ugly white tapes at the back. But hopefully you've got some nice clear sellotape at home. All you do is you choose your colour. I haven't done bright orange yet, have I? So you cut, I don't know, 1 metre or so. You tape it onto the back. Don't need that much, just a little bit of sellotape. Tape it onto the back, like so, and then you literally just start wrapping it around. This is a bit of an awkward place I've chosen. Now obviously when you're turning corners and edges, then it's a little bit harder. You need to fill that space, so you need to take a little bit longer to do it. And you'll need to overlap a little bit. Think about the rope, the wool that you choose. The thicker ones are better for corners because they've got more surface area. And then you just keep going round. You can squidge him up. If he's not, like here, I've got some space. I'm just going to squidge him up a little. And then when I'm happy that that's enough bright orange, all I need to do is take another little bit of tape, tape it on the back, like so, and then cut him off, and off you go again, doing your next colour. Alright, so eventually you just have the whole thing covered. Again, just sort of a little fun thing. Maybe you could write something nice and put a message in the window. But again, just a good use of the box and your excess yarn. I don't want to have any yarn left over. I want you to turn it all into beautiful things. Alright, that's the deal.